In today's adventure, I stayed in my local area of County Durham, grabbed my bike, put the GoPro on and decided to go do some exploring. As you know, there's always some sort of challenge I have to complete, which has a forfeit if they aren't accomplished by the end of the video. So make sure to leave down in the comments some ideas of forfeits you have. Let's get into it. I decided to do this video a little differently. I just put the GoPro on and hit record. I didn't do much talking at all, so I'm just going to stick some chilled music over the footage. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, if it's worth doing more of this style of video, or if you prefer like the more in-depth edited videos such as the wild camping ones, which you can go check out as well. Oh, alright, like. He doesn't stop. Alright, no bother. I've just started. Going to Crimdon. Going to get a nice little sunset capture for my video. And then home. Back to work at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'll let you get going so it doesn't kick off. Alright, see you later. So, I don't know if I've explained it properly in the start of the video or not. Probably haven't, but I want to try achieve 10 mile, capture the sunset, and we've got to touch the sea. They're the only things we've got to do in this video. Let's get back the GoPro. I've got a fly in my eye. Oh. Oh, the green bridge. That's what I was looking for. Cross over here. Go down towards that way. I don't know if you can see or not. But there's the sea. So we can complete one of our little objectives of today. To touch the sea. The sun is behind me. So hopefully we might. It's not setting yet. Oh, I might have timed this wrong, you know. I'll have to see what it looks like when we get up top. Just a little chill video today, nothing too strenuous on the body, because I'm quite fragile today, quite hungover in other words, because instead of recording for the weekend I went out which shouldn't have been the case, but it was worth it. It was a good time. Oh, look at that, there's the sun. Watch this train go by. So, after making it to the bridge, the sun was setting and I captured some nice little shots of the sunset, which completes one of our challenges for this video. I then got talking to a very lovely gentleman who does photography. Excuse me, if you don't mind me asking, what sort of camera is it that you're using?
That's just off my phone.
Right.
It's just a Samsung Galaxy S70.
Samsung Galaxy. Yeah. What about that? What type of?
It's a Canon. Yes.
Canon.
EOS 300. Yes.
Is it any good for videos?
Not good for videos.
Not good for videos,
no,
just photography.
Just photography, yeah.
Right, okay.
I've never done the video side of it.
Right, I see. I do YouTube. That's all. I go out and I go around the country. I was just wondering as well. I was just curious.
I mean, that's a standard of photograph I took with this on Saturday. That's just from my camera phone.
All right, yeah.
And that's just at Newburn Bridge. So
right, got you.
Quality camera. This really good video, really good. Phone's brilliant.
Yeah.
It's better than my camera actually.
Right, right. I know. I think nowadays they are. The phone cameras are a lot better.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
I mean, I get out and about. I mean, you're better off down here on the morning, first thing on the morning.
Yeah. Definitely.
I mean, that was the sunrise last week when I was down.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And that's just off here.
Yeah.
Wait for an early morning for it.
Yeah.
There's some really good shots.
I go hiking up in the mountains in the Lake Districts quite a lot, so I capture it there. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. It's stunning. Right, I'm going to shoot, mate. Thanks a lot for that.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of your night, mate.
Right, thank you. You too. You too.
It was now time to head down to the beach to complete our second challenge of the video.
Nearly come off. Right, are we getting across there without getting wet then? We might get wet here, but let's have a go. Oh, I'm good. Right, let's have a gander over here. Oh, this bike's gonna need a good clean after this. Oh. Oh, I'm absolutely filthy. We did it, we touched the sea, we've captured the sunset, and now all we need to do is 10 miles.
With completing 2 of the 3 challenges, I was feeling quite confident, despite the fact I was severely hungover. I thought we were going to make the 10 mile, but I kinda messed up.
I've had a good day, well a good couple of hours out. I've I've missed being on my bike, but we've done 5 mile. That was minus the part I forgot to record coming down here, which was about 1.5 miles. So we're gonna head back now to get this 10 mile in. It's all gonna be on the GoPro like the other riding was. Just a short little video, nice little mountain bike adventure video. I don't tend to come down here as much because I came down here quite a lot as a kid, so I wanted to get out and explore a bit more, such as the lakes. We're gonna head to Scotland at some point. We're gonna go into the Highlands, and I think is it the Isle of Skye or something like that. We're gonna head to them sort of places as well at some point. But for now, it's the lakes and here, and look out for more videos. In the next wild camping video, we're taking some fishing rods because I've been challenged to catch a fish. So look forward to that in the next wild camping video. Let's get this 10 mile complete. Right, let's get back, come on. Alright, like. Sorted. Right, we're back at the car. We've only done 7.9 mile. It's now dark and I've got work in the morning, so that is an incomplete objective. Forfeits are up to you. Well, yeah, let's see what you leave down in the comments then, eh?